Everything costs too much. Like, do you want to watch a video without ads? Okay, do whatever you want. Maybe listen to music? Pay, then listen. But what if we want to edit photos? Yeah, that's where the obstacles start. But not for us, because who are we? Programmers. So another day, another competition for big companies. Let's start. Okay, let's start with building a brand so that our product is original. Let's create an original name for it, PY Shop, and an original logo. Beautiful. Well, the main resolution is that it has to be much better than Photoshop, so we have to determine what functions our program will have. We start with simple photo editing, so contrast, brightness, everything we already have in the crappy editor. But we are not creating a crappy editor, so at the initial stage we already add amazing features. Cropping, rotation, resizing, and saving. That's what I forgot. Actually, these are the simplest functions we have already done. Now it's time for slightly more difficult things. As it is a professional editor, there should be a drawing option, but that's not my job. We will take a shortcut and redirect users to MS Paint, and after editing we will return to our program. Yes, it is possible that I did it just to make it work only on Windows. You on macOS be happy with what you paid for. By the way, it was a bullseye because now we don't have to focus on adding text, various elements or anything important, and now we can do stupid things. So Paint is responsible for half of our program. It's brilliant. There was drawing. There was rotation. Now it's time to combine them into one. This option is called Color Theater, and if not, that's what I came up with. So we have a color palette. When we select something, the image will be in that color, such a color overlay. Now we can call it a professional photo editor. But this could be better. Using AI. If we really want to compete with Adobe, of course we need to have the latest technologies, especially if they are free. So the plan is as follows. As you probably know, Photoshop has an option to generate images using AI. Unfortunately, we have to honestly admit that this is a useful function, but our program will not be worse. Do you know what AI is? Yes, expensive. That's why we won't use it. But you know what is free? Stock photos, which we can scrap from the site and place in our editor. So we have to change the name of this option a bit. Perfect. Honestly, if it was the year 2000, I would consider this program modern and professional. But it is what it is, and with zero budget and 2 days of work it turned out quite bearable. That was just the introduction. In the next episode we will make ChatGPT from scratch. Stay tuned.